Imagine running a global business, but your IT network can't keep up. Albemarle, a Fortune 1000 leader in lithium and chemical manufacturing, faced this challenge. Let's explore how they turned things around with Aryaka. Albemarle is a global leader in lithium, bromine, and catalyst solutions, serving customers in over 100 countries. With facilities worldwide, they needed a reliable IT network to support their rapid growth and cloud adoption, but their existing setup wasn't up to the task. Albemarle relied on standard ESPs to operate and access critical applications, but performance was inconsistent, making cloud adoption nearly impossible. Managing multiple last-mile contracts globally also overwhelmed their IT team. Aryaka offered Albemarle a managed SD-WAN solution that solved these challenges. By routing traffic through Aryaka's network, they optimized performance for Microsoft 365 and Teams. Later, Aryaka consolidated Albemarle's last-mile contracts globally and introduced a flexible bandwidth model called the T-shirt model. The initial implementation in 2018 focused on optimizing Microsoft applications like Office 365 and Teams. The results were dramatic. Drop in jitter rates fell below 1% worldwide, ensuring seamless collaboration across teams. The results were transformative. Albemarle achieved consistent application performance with reduced latency and jitter. Aryaka's hybrid WAN feature prioritized mission-critical traffic while offloading less important data to the public internet. Additionally, managing last-mile services became much simpler for their IT team. This case study highlights three key lessons. First, reliable networks are essential for adopting cloud technologies like Microsoft 365. Second, consolidating contracts simplifies IT operations and reduces complexity. And finally, flexible bandwidth models enable businesses to scale effortlessly as needs evolve. Are you ready to transform your IT network like Albemarle did? Explore Aryaka's offerings today and take the first step toward optimizing your business performance.